In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your Shopify store's shipping settings to manage your routing rules effectively. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to optimize your store's logistics, this guide will help you ensure smooth delivery operations. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the homepage of your Shopify store. This is your main hub, where you'll find access to all of your store's features. Make sure you're logged into your account, and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different sections. It's always a good idea to keep your interface clean and organized for improved efficiency during your regular store management activities. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to locate and click on Settings. You'll usually find this in the bottom left corner of your admin panel. The Settings section is your base for configuring various aspects of your store, from payment options to user permissions. Today, we'll specifically be diving into your shipping settings, so let's focus on that area and make sure you're comfortable navigating to it, as it will be vital for the smooth running of your delivery services. Now, under the Settings menu, you will see several options tailored to different aspects of your store. Look for the one labeled Shipping and Delivery. Clicking on this will open up the area where you can manage all things related to how products are sent out to customers. Shipping can significantly impact your customers' satisfaction, so having these settings optimized is crucial. As you click into Shipping and Delivery, it'll reveal multiple subsections. Here we want to focus on the routing rules, since they dictate how orders are dispatched from your store. Find the section that mentions routing rules, which should indicate that there are currently 3 active rules. Clicking on 3 routing rules active will allow you to view and modify these predefined rules. Routing rules help you automate which fulfillment center will handle certain orders based on criteria you set. This functionality can save you time and improve the efficiency of your fulfillment process, especially if you have multiple warehouses. Managing these rules properly means you can streamline operations by ensuring orders are sent from the most appropriate location. With the various rule options presented, take the time to review each one. Understand what the current configurations are and think about whether they fit your business needs. Changes can be made to optimize your delivery process if necessary, so feel free to adjust these settings according to the specifics of your fulfillment strategy. And there you have it. You've navigated through the essential steps to access and manage your shipping and routing settings in Shopify. With these adjustments in place, you can improve the experience for your customers and enhance the operations of your e-commerce business. Thank you for following along today, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful tutorials.